Term insurance versus whole life insurance. And I'm going to break this down to you guys in a concept like renting versus owning. So let's say Rebecca has $1.5 million in life insurance and she has it in term life insurance. This is what we would consider to be renting. Now, because she's renting, she's going to pay less money than if she owns or if she's paying a mortgage, etc. So a monthly contribution for this $1.5 million in term life insurance is $335. So let's say that's her rent. Now we have Sophia. Sophia doesn't want to rent, she wants to own. She wants to own her life insurance. So she's taking out the same amount of coverage, but she owns it. And this is what we would call whole life insurance. And her monthly fee is $12.61. Now Rebecca laughing at Sophia, saying, "You're paying so much to own when you could just pay to rent." And Rebecca's argument is that she rather rent and save the extra money from renting. But you see, the thing with that is human behavior and financial discipline doesn't always go hand in hand, and they vary very widely. And with some individuals, they really lack the discipline to save consistently. So Rebecca's intention may be to save the difference from renting, but it may not mean that she actually does that. And then also people don't take into consideration when they're renting is what happens at 65. Remember, even if it is you are renting, you don't own the property, so you don't end up owning anything. And if you buy a property, you own the mortgage, and eventually you own the property. So how does that work in the sense of term insurance? Sophia owns her life insurance. So that means at 65, she gets $845,000 from her life insurance because she owns it. She owns the cash value. And even if Sophia was to cancel the plan before 65, again, she owns the cash value, she owns the property, so she will get back some of the cash that she would have put towards her whole life insurance. However, if Rebecca chooses to cancel, she gets nothing, because you don't get back anything from renting, except a thank you. I hope you guys understand the concept. I just wanted to break it down for you, the difference between term insurance versus whole life insurance. Both are important. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't do any, but just to understand the difference, because my job is to help you guys make informed decisions. So continue to follow for more tips and ideas on insurance.